Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to report alimony payments on Turbotax in 2025. This is going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time, so let's just jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your divorce or separation agreement, as well as any records of alimony payments that has been made thus far. And once you have them, you just go ahead and log into your Turbotax account. So just sign into Turbotax website using your email address and your password. And once you're signed in, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to report your alimony payments for. Once you've selected that, go ahead and choose income and then select alimony received as your income type. From there, you're going to enter the total amount of alimony payments that you made during that tax year. And once you have that in, you can go ahead and claim alimony deductions on your tax returns if it's eligible. Once that's done, you can go ahead and review your alimony payment report just to make sure that everything is accurate. And if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take it from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to report alimony payments on Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll catch you guys in the next